Can I get Samsung TV Plus on my phone? Yes, Samsung TV Plus is available on mobile devices, but its availability depends on your phone brand, operating system, and region. If you have a Samsung Galaxy device, you can download the Samsung TV Plus app. If you use a non-Samsung phone, you can still watch Samsung TV Plus using a web browser. 1. Using the Samsung TV Plus app on a Samsung phone. If you own a Samsung Galaxy smartphone or tablet, you can install the Samsung TV Plus app from the Galaxy Store or Google Play Store. Steps to install and use Samsung TV Plus on a Samsung phone. Open the Galaxy Store or Google Play Store. Search for Samsung TV Plus. Tap Install and wait for the download to complete. Open the app and start watching free live TV and on-demand content. Note, Samsung TV Plus is pre-installed on most Samsung Galaxy devices running Android 8.0 or later. 2. Watching Samsung TV Plus on a non-Samsung phone. If you have an iPhone or a non-Samsung Android phone, you cannot download the Samsung TV Plus app, but you can still watch it through a web browser. Steps to watch Samsung TV Plus on any phone via browser. Open a web browser, Chrome, Safari, or Edge on your phone. Go to www.samsungtvplus.com. Browse through the live TV channels and start streaming for free. Note, web access is available in select regions, so check if it works in your country. 3. Casting Samsung TV Plus from your phone to a smart TV. If you want to watch Samsung TV Plus on a bigger screen, you can cast it from your phone to a smart TV. Ensure your phone and smart TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Open the Samsung TV Plus app or website on your phone. Tap the Cast icon for Chromecast, or use Smart View on Samsung devices. Select your TV, and the content will play on your TV screen. 4th alternative Samsung streaming apps for phones. If you're looking for other Samsung TV related apps, you can also try SmartThings app, Controls, Samsung Smart TVs remotely, Samsung Smart View app, mirrors phone content to a Samsung TV, Samsung TV remote apps, Controls, Samsung TV functions from your phone. You can watch Samsung TV Plus on your phone through the Samsung TV Plus app for Samsung devices or via a web browser for all phones. If you want to watch content on a bigger screen, you can cast it to a TV. Checking your device compatibility ensures a smooth streaming experience.